None of us can predict the future. We do not have any crystal balls. We cannot throw bones on the ground and predict the future. But what we can do is go by some signs, some indicators that we see. Ever since President al-Shara came into power 1 year ago on December 8th, 2024, he has never said a single word against the United States. He never said, I want America out of Syria. He has been silent or supportive of the U.S. presence in northeastern Syria. There's a reason why. President al-Shara is pragmatic. He's a thinking man, and he knows that his forces are not capable of coming into northeastern Syria and keeping the peace. His forces are not capable of containing and detaining the ISIS prisoners and the families at Al-Hol. His forces are not capable of running border checkpoints. So he understands that right now the relationship with the U.S. and its security partner, the SDF, is keeping at least 1/3 of Syria safe. Why would anybody want to change that balance? But your question was about the guarantees. What can Kurds say as guarantees? Well, there's no guarantees for anything, but as I mentioned, we've seen now that the United States Congress has put into law that the President Trump will eventually review and probably sign, and that includes special specific funding for the Syrian Democratic Forces and the continued presence of U.S. troops in northeastern Syria.